Hi friends, so today we're going to make this cute ornament, Christmas decor piece using pink tones of these darling snowman prints that are in my Etsy shop, and the link to those will be below. There's 3 of them, but I have 24 I believe. And I'm using this round cutting board I got at Hobby Lobby, and they're on, if you can get them on sale for 50% off, they're only $1.50 each. So I'm mixing some white Hobby Lobby Crafters paint with a little bit of Cameo Pink from Apple Barrel. I just wanted just a pale pink to paint my board with. And I'm going to paint the sides and the back and then the front. Just a pale pink to go with these pale pink, pastel pink prints. And there's all kinds of snowman, and some of them are just out in the snow with snowflakes. Some are with gifts, some are with Christmas trees, lanterns. There's all different kinds. They're so cute. And if you decorate in pink Christmas tones, this is for you. So I'm giving it one good coat on the side and the back, and then I'm going to give it a good dry, and then I give it a second coat all over. And on the front, I just get the edges really well with a second coat because I'm going to Mod Podge the print there. I'm using like my little mini sander and just kind of sanding the edges, distressing it just slightly. And you don't have to do this step if you don't like that look, but I grunged it up just slightly. And as you can see, the center there isn't covered real well. It was just one coat, but it doesn't matter. So now I'm going to put a layer of Mod Podge in that circle area. Just make sure it's all covered well. And I already cut out my print, my circle print, and they are 4 1/4 inch in diameter. So I'm just sticking it on there and then just pressing it all and making sure all the edges are especially adhered down really well. And just keep pressing it down, and then I'm going to use my heat tool to finish drying it. And while I'm drying it, I'm just pressing down edges and making sure it stays down and doesn't start curling up or anything like that. And it's looking so cute already. And I've got this silver shiny Christmas cord that I got at Hobby Lobby. And again, be sure and get it on their 50% off sale. It's very inexpensive that way. So I just fold it in half and take the loop through the hole and then pull the strands up through that loop. Now I'm just tying the edge in a knot ends. I decided I'd use my small little letters stamp pad, and I'm going to stamp burr down at the bottom of this print. So I'm doing 1 B and 3 letter R's. And I kind of wanted them a little wonky, not super straight on purpose, so that was easy to do. I'm just going to put some of these greenery on this. I got these at Walmart. They're boxwood little plants. I'm just trimming them down to the size that I think it needs to be. I was trying to kind of find a couple prints that laid even. I ended up getting another one because this one was kind of laying funny. Before I did that, though, I decided to go around with this cord. I think I go probably 5 or 6 times around just to make a band around the neck of that cutting board. Excuse me, my voice is a little raspy today. Just securing that in the back really well. Now I'm going to put the leaves on. Then I've got this sheer pink ribbon that I got at Hobby Lobby again. So after I get these greenery pieces on, I'm going to wrap the ribbon around my fingers 3 times. So there's 3 loops on each side. And then I cut it and I leave it one of the tails a little longer and I wrap it around the center. guess I'm getting ahead of myself. I should wait till I get to that part. Right now I'm still gluing the greenery. Probably put a little bit too much glue there. It took a little bit to set up, and my greenery wanted to keep moving. And there's the ribbon I was talking about. So like I said, I'm just going to wrap it around my fingers 3 times. Gather it in the center and wrap one end around the center a couple of times. And then I'll glue it in the middle of that greenery. Just fluffing and arranging the loops first. And I'm getting close to being done. This is a really quick and easy DIY project. So cute. And when that's set up and dry, I'm trimming the ends. I was trying to decide what to put in the middle, but I opted for a little cream-colored button right in the center of the pink bows. I decided to use some extreme glitter paint. You'll see that in a moment. And I'm using my stylus, just dabbing it in a little bit of what's in the lid there. And just putting some dots all over on the Christmas tree, and then a little bit in the sky around the snowman. And once this dries, it's such a pretty, shiny, glittery silver color. I'm just putting some random dots all over to make him shine. And now you can see the dots are kind of glistening. And there she is. I think it turned out so cute. I hope this inspires you to do something similar. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support. And you have a whimsical day. Thank you.